Hello, I'm Joey Lockhart, Vice President of Sales with Cotton. Yeah, so that's actually a myth. You want to have a strong material like a plywood or a storm shutter, but if you put tape on a window, it's going to do exactly what you think it's going to do. It's going to stick it all together, but whenever it falls out, because it's not a sturdy material, it's going to fall in bigger shards, be more dangerous, be more of a safety hazard. That's actually also a myth. Not only are you going to add extra pressure to your building by having those windows open, you're also going to have those secondary damages that could come from the water and any other kind of moisture or other materials that can get inside, causing that microbial growth or anything of that nature as well. And yet another myth, sandbags are something that can help, but there's really nothing that's going to be able to prevent flooding, especially when you get into an extreme disaster. You have to stage these sandbags appropriately. They need to be in more of a pyramid shape, layered and on top of each other. And you also need to remember, if water gets over those sandbags, you're also now keeping water inside your building. So you need to make a strategic decision on how you want to put these sandbags, where you want to put them, and how your operations team is going to deal with the after effects.